Don Disanayaka.
And I'm Suzanne Mashtu.
And we're from STEM Centre Australia. Today we had a great session with the students from Eastern's Primary School with the Codey Rocky, a great STEM educational kit from mBlock, and with a few activities including understanding concepts behind AI and IoT or Internet of Things. And I think Suzanne will talk more about it.
Yeah, so the students had the opportunity to first familiarise themselves with the Codey Rocky. First we used the mBlock programming on the iPad, and then once the students were a bit familiar with that, we switched over to the laptop programming system with mBlock, and the students had the opportunity to test the features such as like sensing, controlling the Codey Rocky as well. We even got them to follow a line, and we did a bit of a that was the easy one, but we did a little bit of an obstacle course as well. So yeah, it was really interesting. The students loved it. They learnt so much from it, and it was just super interactive and such a great way to learn about programming and artificial intelligence.
We're going to use mBlock to program something using obviously the software itself, and then load that into the Codey Rocky. So it will basically avoid obstacles, right? So let's have a look. Yeah. So I got this code here. So as you guys can see, and you're comfortable with the code here, right? Meaning mBlock. Yeah. So when I press that button A in the Codey, so it starts moving, and if it see an obstacle, it avoids obstacle, and it keeps moving until we switch it off, right? Yeah. So that's the idea. So first of all, I'll connect it, and through the USB connector.
You're going to put
here.
it there. You're going to put information in it, like we do with our Edisons.
That's right.
It would make a noise. Would it make a noise?
So we'll connect it first.
The Edison's one made a huge noise.
The emblem makes a noise.
So what I've done is you can program that. So in this case, it will show us a red light if this is an obstacle, and then after moving, it will turn into green, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So upload. Basically plug and play like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some support module, right? And then connect this thing to one of the outputs there. It's kind of an extension, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. So let's just sit it on there now.
It's not touching. And now I'll press it.
And now you can press it.
Yay!
Yay! All right, let's do some vibrations on the table, shall we? Excellent.
This guy go crazy.
And soon we're going to see how the Codey Rocky follows a line, yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
I'm going to pause that back for a second. That told him no to go again.
Okay.
I'm going to ask him vibration. I'm making sound.
Vibration, see?
It's not making any sound.
I know, let's be really silent. Let's listen to the buzzer. Ready?
That's attached. That's attached.
There you go.
Yeah.
And now A.
Yeah. Press A.
Oh, yes.
Oh, great. Isn't that cool?
That's very good learning, right? So it wasn't working when we switch it on, just when we had a control, so that when we press the button, it actually started fine. Excellent.
Yeah.
Good thinking.
line.
It's a base.
So now going a different line, right? So what's happening is it's following the edge, not the actual
Yes.
road. Yeah.
It's following the edge line. Let's see. All right, so how did you feel about the Codey Rocky?
It was very fun.
Amazing.
Amazing.
It was a good experience.
Yeah, it was
a
really good
experience.
It was very exciting. We learned a lot of new things. Yeah, especially about robots. It was fun. It was fun, and this little thing can help us with lots of interesting things. Yeah, if we can add extra features to it. Codey Rocky!